Hey, it's Justine, and today I am so excited because we're checking out not one, but two incredible new pair of headphones from Anker, the Soundcore AeroFit 2 and the Soundcore C40i. Now, if you've been watching my videos for a while, then you know I'm a huge fan of Anker and all of the amazing things that they make. So I was so stoked to test these out. A huge thank you to Anker for sponsoring today's video. I'll be putting both of these to the test: comfort, sound quality, and everything in between. So let's not waste any time and let's get these unboxed. Now, first up, we have the Soundcore AeroFit 2. These are designed with an open ear fit so you can stay aware of your surroundings without sacrificing sound quality. Something else that's exciting, we have them in other colors as well. I love this green color, this blue is super vibrant, and we've even got the white. Which one will I choose? Since I have the black Soundcore C40i, let's go with the black version for the review. Got a little quick start guide. What else have we got in the box? Some more directions, a cable, USB-A to C. So these are kind of unique. I've been testing out a lot of headphones recently, and one of the things that I really like about this is it has a 4-level rotatable ear hook. So this is designed to fit any ear shape. And with a double curved surface, they distribute pressure evenly around your ear. That means that you can wear them comfortably for hours. And also, it really helps them stay in. Oh, okay. This makes such a huge difference because I don't know if you can see, this is where it normally was, the first setting, and then I can just rotate it, and now it's like a perfect fit. Not all ears are made the same. And now on to the Soundcore C40i's. Ooh, this actually kind of looked more black on the cover here, but it's more of like a little shiny, I can't even tell exactly what the color is, but it's really pretty. It's like a bronzy, goldish. I love it. It looks so good. These are so interesting. So you just clip them onto your ears. They've got this little clip design. Look at them. Look how cool these are. Clipped on. Like, who is she? Is this a new fashion statement? So it says that if the fit feels loose, you can use these attachable ear grips. So, oh, look at that. They've got like different sizes too. Okay, I'm gonna try one of these and just see what it feels like. These feel pretty good, but could they feel better? It just pops on just like so. Oh yeah. That's better, actually. So I picked the medium. So that's on, it's clear. You can't really see it that well either. So it's nice that it just blends right in. I mean, honestly, both ways feel pretty good, but I'm gonna keep that on because I think that feels the best. What a unique little fit. These are so fun. Even if you put the little clear covers on, they still fit inside the case. So that's great. So now that these are both unboxed, let's learn more about them. First, let's start with the AeroFit 2. This uses bass turbo acoustic architecture to give you that deep, powerful bass. And the 20mm by 11.5mm racetrack drivers are no joke. You get amazing sound quality to go with the comfort. Plus, these support high-res wireless audio with LDAC, so everything sounds super crisp. They also come with wireless charging, so you'll get up to 42 hours of total playtime with the case. And if you're in a rush, 10 minutes of charging gives you 4 hours of listening time. And the C40i is just as impressive. These headphones feature a bigger 12mm by 17mm drivers compared to most competitors, which means you're getting bigger and better sound quality. The bass is super rich and the mids and highs are crystal clear. It's perfect from everything from music to podcasts. Now let's take a closer look at those drivers. These larger drivers really give you that fuller, more powerful sound. They're also super comfortable, so the soft TPU connector and the flexible titanium wire make sure that they stay stable and secure, even if you're wearing them all day. Plus, they've got this flexible joint stability that ensures the perfect fit every single time. Now, running with the AeroFit 2 was such a great experience. The open ear design let me stay aware of my surroundings while keeping me fully immersed in my music. Plus, the 4-level rotatable hooks stayed secure during my sprints. They didn't budge at all. I also was wearing these for some long editing sessions, and the high-res wireless audio with LDAC made every detail crystal clear. And because of the even distribution distribution. I wore them the entire flight to Hawaii while I was editing, and they were so comfortable. Now the C40i was pretty impressive. I was so hyped to try these while working out because I was like, how are these gonna stay in? They're just little clips. And I was so surprised because they're super lightweight and they really did clip onto my ear really well. And they also were super comfortable. I actually forgot that I even had them on. It just kind of felt like I was wearing earrings, which I wear all the time. So no matter if you're running, lifting weights, or you're just on the move, they stay secure in place. Plus the flexible joint and soft TPU connectors, it really makes them extra comfortable. I definitely have been able to wear these all day, no complaints. I've also been using the C40i during a bunch of Zoom meetings, and thanks to the AI enhanced clear calls, my voice was super clear. I had to ask some of the people that I was on calls with just to confirm. I was like, hey, how does this sound? Do I sound any different? And they said it sounded great. There was no background noise. So it's perfect for long calls, and again, that comfort makes such a huge difference. I took the C40i's out on a misty morning run in Hawaii, and it's great because they are IPX4 water resistant, and they worked perfectly. So if you're someone who's constantly on the go, whether you're in the gym or you're out in unpredictable weather, these are a pretty solid pick. So I've been really enjoying trying both of these headphones. They're very similar, but different. The sound quality on both is really good. And the thing that I was most surprised about are the C40i's because they're so small and compact, and it's such a different form factor that I'm normally used to. But what I liked about these is they had such a different feel to them. Like they kind of just were like resting on my ear. I could still hear the music, hear my sounds, hear my calls so well, and yet they just felt very secure. Even though you wouldn't think so, because it's kind of like a little clip-in earring. It's such a unique form factor, and I'm really into this style for headphones now. Now the Soundcore AeroFit 2, on the other hand, is so interesting because I love that you can adjust this and get any type of ear fit and make sure that it's the most comfortable for you. Especially when I'm running, I like to make sure that everything is very secure and it fits really well. So I was very impressed with how well this worked while I was working out and even running. These have also been really great for editing, so it's been really fun experimenting all of the ways that I use headphones with both of these, and I've loved them so much. Now, after testing out both of these, here's what I think. If you want something with incredible sound quality and an adjustable, comfortable fit for long-term use, the AeroFit 2 is an amazing choice, especially with that better battery life. But if you're looking for something lightweight that delivers bigger, better sound with an ultra-secure fit that's comfortable enough for all-day wear, the C40i is definitely a winner. It's so great for everything from workouts to work calls, and either way, you can't go wrong. So that's it for this video. Thank you again to Anker for sponsoring. If you guys want to check these out for yourself, I will put all of the links in the description. And if you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.